Igbo bụ Igbo, anyị abatago na village kitchen. Achọrọ m ịkọwara gị ka ị ga-esi wee prepare a noodles for your family maka ahụike ha na nchekwaba ha. When you get a noodles, please try to add these ingredients I list there. Buy it from market, prepare it for your children and your oga. You see that once they wake up, they will get a strength. Ahụike ha esiwanga ike. See all these ingredients you see out here. This one is called cucumber. Cucumber, see it here. I slice it. Why this one is carrot. This one is onions. This one is garlic. Why this one is pepper. See our oil. And wow, see the noodles. You see that our water is ready. We have already boiled the water. Okay, follow me. Let us do it. So, you pour a noodles. Life is good. So you pour it. That's one, because I'm doing it to my family. Then you pour a hot water. You pour the hot water. Just cover it just a minute. Wire, you see it. Then let us go for other ones. Then you see it. I have frying pan, but it's too small. It's too small for this recipe. So I pour onto it oil. You see it there? Then you add garlic. Wow. You add garlic. Village kitchen. You add garlic. After garlic, you add